Lord, I think you didn't get the memo. I'm a woman. I'm a woman in need of a husband. Why do I have one of these? I need to get this lined up. Lord, what man gonna want me with one of these? Don't answer that. Anyways, I found this on clearance at Walgreens. I'm gonna try to wax my own mustache. Here we go. Ready to go jelly wax strips for people with busy lives. Check me out. Okay. So they got these little finishing wipes. And then this is the wax strip, I guess, with something already on it. I let this whole grow in like I'm grown. Oh, that's 2 strips. Okay. I hope this ain't nobody. I don't know what side to use. I guess you can use both sides. Let's see.
Man, that's
you need to get that lined up.
Don't you worry about it, bitch. I know somebody like it.
Don't worry about it, bitch. I know somebody like it. Ooh, here we go. Ooh, here we go, bitch. Ah! Check me out. I ain't a man no more now. Bitch, hold up. Hold up. Let me see something. Because the niggas is coming now. I'm sorry, the husbands is coming. The husbands, the nigga husbands. Yes. That shit hurt a little bit. It hurt a little bit. All right. Ooh. That shit worked it. Hold on. Hold up. What is all of this it done left behind? Do I redo it again? It left stubble, bitch. I'm a woman. Like, I should not have stubble. I'm gonna hit it one more time. That's what he said. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, brother. Let me tell you something, brother. It's still even that. Probably because I be shaving, huh? Anyways, we're going to take one of these finishing wipes. And we going to... Hot toy! This is way too big for the face. My face burning like a motherfucker dog. Now I look like I done ate a box of chicken dicks. That shit look swollen a little bit, don't it? This your napkin freaky as hell. They need to give you a start napkin and a dry napkin. Talking to me dirty like that. All right, y'all. So let me know if you ever wash your own mustache at home. I like a new bitch. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I look completely different. Like, hold up. Wait, hold up. Like my face, do I look younger? Then that nigga finna find me. Ow. Or don't I look completely different with my mustache shaved? Like, I can't let that thing grow out long enough for me to wax it no more. That was bad. Anyways, I'm about to go now and find me a husband.